If you're a Christian and want to share the message of John 3:16 in Spanish, it's easy to do. To say John 3:16 in Spanish, you would say Juan 3:16. Here's the verse in its entirety, in both Spanish and English. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. John 3:16, NIV. Porque de tal manera amó Dios al mundo que dio a su Hijo unigenito, para que todo aquel que cree en él no se pierda, sino que tenga vida eterna. Juan 3:16, RVR 1960. As you can see, the Spanish translation of the verse is just as powerful and meaningful as the English translation. By learning how to say John 3:16 in Spanish, you can share the message of God's love and salvation with a wider audience and connect with Spanish-speaking Christians around the world. Learning a new language, including Spanish, can be a fulfilling and enriching experience. It can open up new opportunities, help you connect with people from different cultures, and expand your understanding of the world. If you're interested in learning more Spanish phrases and improving your language skills, consider subscribing to this channel for regular updates and engaging content. In conclusion, saying John 3:16 in Spanish is as simple as saying Juan 3:16. By doing so, you can share the powerful message of God's love with Spanish-speaking individuals, and also take the first step in a rewarding journey of learning a new language.